So welcome to this video breakdown, right? So this trade breakdown, right? So this is a trade we took on yesterday, Tuesday, right? On gold, right? We smashed over 260, 270 to 60 pips, right? But first, this is a trade I sent on Telegram. As you can see, I said buy gold 1911 2911.5 SLDs. I gave 1 TP which was 37, right? And we smash all over to full TP, right? As you can see at the end here, right, over to full TP, right? So this was how we won this trade. So I want to give a breakdown so you understand the rationale behind the trade, right? Very simple, right? So this was my rationale behind the trade. I saw we were in a clear uptrend on gold, right, for a long period of time, and until we had price coming to create this double bottom after the first one rejected back to this support level that we just broke out from a resistance, retested, nice rejection to the upside. It was very clear for a buy, right, all the way, created again another rejection at the all-time high. So I can see that price has been rejecting at this all-time high. Now when price came back again to the same support level, I saw price rejecting again, nice weak rejection on the 4 hours again to the upside. Now what I was waiting for, I just told myself two things. I just had to mark out this level and this level, right? So one important thing you need to understand is marking out your key significant level in the market where you should wait for price to react from, right? So when I marked out this level and I marked out this one, that was over the weekend, right? So you can see it was over the weekend that when I started marking this, that was Friday. On Monday I had to mark out these zones. Now I had two things in mind. So if price comes and break below this support level, I'm looking for sales all the way to 28.40 here about, right? But if price comes and break above this zone again, right, trading above this resistance zone, I will expect to buy all the way to 37.38, right? That was all what I was looking at, right? So now going back to the 1 hour, right? On the 1 hour time frame, when I got up, I was looking for trade entries, and price was consolidating the whole day, right? Price was consolidating the whole of Monday. I couldn't have any trade set up, so what I had to do was just to relax and wait. Now fortunately on Tuesday we had what, a breakout, a very good breakout. So after this breakout, I didn't just rush into this trade, no, right? I waited for price to retest and then rejected back to the upside, right? Once I had the retest and rejected back to the upside, now I went to my 30 minutes time frame, and this is another concept I'm teaching you, what we call the top-down analysis, right? And candlesticks confirmation. So look clearly at this zone where we are. Price had a rejection to the upside. Now when you're looking for a breakout on a zone and then to take a trade, there are two things you wait for: a solid breakout and what, a rejection and then price going back to the upside. So the first thing you're looking for is that we have a breakout, which was a good breakout because what, the bullish candle closed above, right? Body closure. Price went back and rejected back this zone, which is good. The next thing you're concerned with what is the retest, right? You can see how clearly we had the retest, then bullish confirmation before price started moving to the upside. Now when we took this trade here, started consolidating. So breakout, retest here, and then price consolidated, came back again to retest the second time before was good. So if you did not take this one, you didn't consider this as a retest, after which I took my trade here. You can see my entry here before setting my TP. Price came all the way, had my stop loss just below this low. So you see price came all the way close to my stop loss, but never hit it, right? Before coming back now again, rejecting here. This is the second entry where you should have gotten in if you didn't get in here. Another solid confirmation to get in here, right? At the level we see 11.5, and you can see clearly that was when I sent to the Telegram channel, right? Free Telegram. So if you're not part of this channel, do what to join at 11.5, right? That was the entry, right? Our TP was all the way to 37, which was fully smashed at 1:4 weeks to reward. So you can imagine, so we made 4% out of this trade, right? So imagine if you're able to take this kind of trade, just 2 in a week, that is, you will be up around 8%. Even if you lost the next trade, you will still be positive overall, right? So this was a quick breakdown of the trade, and my TP was realistically set at this zone, right, and which price rejected. Now I'm going to do my analysis for this morning, waiting to see how I'm going to get my next trade. But clearly I want to trade above this particular zone or below this zone here. now I don't see any significant trade I'm going to take, right? So I hope you got something clear from this breakdown, and see you in the next one.